Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. I hope that you have had a fresher mind and body right now after you had the break. And now we will continue our next session for today's workshop. Before the closing session, from the Dean of the Faculty of Medicine, Universitas Gadjah Mada, I would now like to invite Professor Adi Utarini to give some explanations about the Global Health Forum. You may have the floor, Professor. Thank you.
Bapak Ibu yang saya hormati, Prof. Renner, selamat siang. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Pada sesi penutupan ini kami hanya ingin menyampaikan kepada Prof. Teguh Haryandono selaku dekan dan juga Bu Ika selaku Direktur Kerjasama tentang apa yang sudah kami hasilkan bersama sampai dengan sebelum makan siang hari ini. Nah, sebelum itu ini sebagai salah satu awal dari komitmen kami untuk memfasilitasi mungkin komunikasi ini memang tanpa sepengetahuan Bapak Ibu, nih agak diam-diam tapi maksudnya untuk surprise untuk Bapak Ibu bahwa kami telah memasukkan acara ini, mungkin bisa ditunjukkan oleh Mas Nandi ya. Jadi ini di dalam website Fakultas Kedokteran kami memasukkan satu berita news mengenai kegiatan ini, dan di dalam website ini beberapa materi khususnya yang hari pertama sudah kami masukkan, meskipun mungkin dari sisi tampilannya masih perlu dipercantik lagi, dan masing-masing materi ini sudah dapat diakses oleh Ibu dan Bapak, termasuk juga beberapa key references yang kemarin disampaikan oleh baik Prof. Renner maupun Pak Yodi, serta logo dari 5 universitas. And I haven't asked permission Prof. Renner to also include put the University of Heidelberg logo and all the German partners in this website. But nanti berikutnya we will continue to improve the website, but this is the first effort perhaps, and hopefully this can already support the communication between the 5 universities and with the German universities. We have in the bottom is the Prof. Renner in action. Fortunately, the picture was not so clear. Apologize for. So, yeah. And then if we would also like to share to all that we have agreed to have quite a detailed work plan. As Nandi could show what we discussed, aiming that by mid-May, that the consortium will be launched, and also with all the MOU signed, and the proposal will be submitted to CEMOLEC. So this is our immediate targets, and to achieve the immediate targets, we have discussed and outlined some key activities in terms of following up the legal aspects, including the MOU between the Indonesian and the German partners, and then the organization structure of the consortium and the members, steering committee. We also propose that there is a scientific advisory board in addition to the steering and organizing committee. And for the PICs, we have agreed that there will be 2 PICs. One is PICs for the legal aspects that will follow up the MOU issues, and then the second group of PIC is the PIC for revising the content of the proposal. And then the process of editing and reviewing the workshop, and we thank Unsud for to be the host for the finalization workshop on the May 3 to 4. And before that, to make sure that we have all the revisions needed, we would carry out a teleconference on 26th of April between all 5 universities, and hopefully, depending on the availability of Prof. Rainer, we would appreciate if Prof. Rainer would also join the teleconference. And then finally is the launching of the consortium. So that's what we have come up so far, and we hope that within this 1 month, all of us would really have to increase the speed to be able to realize what we have outlined so far. So this is what I can report from the workshop, and I'm very proud that we're all very enthusiastic, and also with the excellent comments from Professor Rainer, hopefully we will all make progress in due time. Yeah. Thank you very much, and I return it to the MC. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Prof. Adi Utarini. And now, ladies and gentlemen, to officially close this 2 days workshop, I would now like to invite distinguished Dean of Faculty of Medicine Universitas Gadjah Mada to give the closing remark. The Professor Teguh Ariandono, you may have the floor.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Selamat siang, salam sejahtera. Yang saya hormati Ibu Wakil yang mewakili Rektor, ya, Ibu Ika, kemudian delegasi dari Unmul, dari Unsud, Undip, Andalas, dan terutama juga dari UGM, and my distinguished Professor Rainer Sorbonne. Jadi pada 2 hari ini kita sudah mengadakan workshop tentang pembentukan konsorsium untuk DepSwap ini. Jadi dalam topik yang diajukan memang untuk dalam global health ini memang sangat menarik untuk kita, karena climate change itu bersama-sama dengan apa yang ada di seluruh dunia yang kita alami, memberikan perubahan-perubahan yang signifikan terhadap kondisi-kondisi atau penyakit yang ada di Indonesia. Karena itu saya sangat menyambut gembira bahwa kesempatan untuk untuk mendapatkan DepSwap ini kita kerjakan bersama-sama, dan ini bisa saya kira dengan kerjasama yang sangat luas dari 5 universitas di Indonesia ini bisa sedikit mewakili kondisi di Indonesia saat ini. Jadi saya mengucapkan selamat bahwa sudah terbentuk konsorsium untuk Global Health ini, kemudian sudah menetapkan tanggal-tanggal untuk launchingnya, antara lain tentang MOU-nya dan sebagainya. Dan memang kadang-kadang kalau kita berbicara dengan dana-dana dari luar dan sebagainya, itu kita memang sangat dibatasi oleh waktu. Karena itu ketepatan waktu penyelesaian misalnya proyek-proyek dan sebagainya, kami mohonkan dengan sangat diperhatikan. Jadi, tapi saya yakin Bapak Ibu sekalian sudah sangat antusias dalam hal ini, dan saya tinggal menanyakan pada Prof. Adi Utarini nanti bagaimana ini, ya. Artinya mengawalnya itu saya tanya Bu Adi kepada ibu-ibu, bapak-bapak, ya, ya, karena apapun kesempatan yang sangat baik ini harus kita tangkap, ya. Ini untuk kebaikan bersama kita, tidak hanya untuk universitas yang terlibat saja, tapi untuk masyarakat yang kemudian I would like to thank Professor Rainer, that your help and your your visit here to supervise our consortium, this consortium, yeah. And I hope you can enjoy your visit here in Indonesia, and I hope you can sometimes come again here, and I will see you in the next session. Tidak banyak yang saya akan sampaikan, tetapi marilah kita betul-betul mengawal, karena kemungkinan untuk segera diterima dan sebagainya, dan untuk langkah-langkah selanjutnya itu tergantung dari kondisi saat ini. Artinya kalau kesiapan kita betul-betul bagus, saya kira bisa dikerjakan dengan baik. And this for the workshop, and officially I would like to close this workshop, and thank you very much for your all the attention here. Thank you.
Thank you, Professor Teguh. Okay, so Professor Soburn would like to say something before we close the session, please.
The dean has already closed. I don't know whether I can.
I open again.
You open again.
No problem.
Okay, let me also thank you for what I perceived as a wonderfully productive 2 weeks, 2 days of work, and I also enjoyed the human side of it, the ambience and well, also the fun that we had while working hard. And I thank my particular accompanying guide that you have also taken care of the social and cultural program. We'll visit the temple and what temple? Borobudur, and see the sunrise even. The sunrise is also in Germany, but it's more beautiful. It's more beautiful here, I'm told, and of course the shadow puppets. So thank you for all these multi-dimensional quality of your reception of me, and I'm looking forward to my next visit, and we will be on this together for 10 years, God willing. Even more. Sustainability. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Professor Sorbin. And now, before the really closing session, I have been informed that there is a memento giving to Professor Sorbin as a token from the 5 universities for the Global Health Consortium to be given to Professor Sorbin. And now I'd like to invite the representatives from the 5 universities to come forward to give the memento to Professor Sorbin. Okay, first of all, from Jenderal Sudirman University, the Dean would like to give the memento to Professor Sorbin and also to Professor Teguh Ariandono from Gadjah Mada University. I'd like to invite Professor Sorbin and Professor Teguh as well to come and stand.
Satu